Hi buddy, good afternoon. I'm doing this day challenge. It's a bit strange that the brute forcing and all of that. I'm just doing it quick. I'm not doing it take time. I'm just showing you the command. So it said a password, a legacy security control. I got confused here. I thought it looking for some things, but the idea is not looking for something. Let's first of all, if you register, for example, my name and 123. 123 and you register. Look, if because I register, let's say I log in with my username, I log in fine. If I log out, for example, and say I use the correct username but I just put any password, it will tell you invalid password. Okay, so if I do a user doesn't exist, it will tell me invalid username, so we can enumerate username and see how many username exist in this lab. Now I did hold this bunch of things. I have Hydra, you can use the invalid, you can do invalid username to test if you want to use Hydra, for example. Where is that? I did try Hydra, but it take long. Which one I did? It took, what's his name? Curl is faster. I already did this one. Let's get the link, correct, a new link. Curl for me was faster than Hydra. So let me get a new link here. So to show you that. Now this is Curl. I'm using that username. Exatonet million username, but you'll pick it up quickly in curl. So you need to do a content type application, of course. So if you run it, curl will find it quick last time, and you can see for Kevin, Carlos, and Jeremy, like we did Kevin, and then will be Jenny and administrator. So we have okay, there's only 5, and you can know it's 5 because because when you log, it's your user ID when you do a GWT token. So you know there are 5, you are number 6 and there's 5, so we have username. So basically now we got a list of username. Now I have a different way you can do it. You can work with Hydra and put list in users, and here I use a top 5 example for RockU, and didn't took long. I switched to 5 because I having problem with it, I disconnect. So we have Jeremy, we have Carol, we have Kevin, Jenny, and administrator. Now I was using this one. I was trying, I usually put AC because it's good to have it. I removed this one because I got disconnected because too much request. So that's another problem with this lab. So you have Hydra. You can use Hydra if you want. You put all the user, put this password. The password I use the common circlist common file. If you guess the password, your brain will flip. It's too easy password. Where is that? You can see here we got not this one. No, this one is the wrong one. I was having problem. This one is the wrong one. That's the correct one. So I use 5 for user Jeremy, and I let me just go there. So I have Jeremy there, and I did it in the lab, and I did the fast for the password. I'm using the common txt file, and found it. I found the password is gift. So I don't want to waste someone time. You can see he got password gift. So if you go gift and login, and you get your flag captured. So the whole these things is basically simple. You get first of all the list of username, and then you can use one by one in FAF. I'm not sure if you can, I'm not sure if FAF you can run in both, but in any case you can do that, or you can just go with Hydra if your Hydra work fine. Mine is just too slow to finish, and that's it. So this is if someone that help. Um, yeah, that's it. Guys, thank you very much and have a good day.